In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Clickup. Creating templates in Clickup can save you a great deal of time and effort, especially if you frequently find yourself repeating tasks or processes. By the end of this guide, you'll be well prepared to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's get started on this journey. First, you'll want to open the Workspace item within Clickup. The Workspace is essentially your control center, where you can manage and organize all of your projects and tasks. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it's where most of your work will take place. Once you're in your workspace, look for the ellipsis icon, which is represented by 3 small dots. This icon is your gateway to a wealth of options and settings that can be adjusted according to your needs. Clicking on the ellipsis will open up a settings menu. From there, you'll want to choose the Templates option. This is where you'll create and manage all your templates, which can then be utilized across different aspects of your Clickup projects. The Templates option is particularly helpful for creating standardized processes, ensuring consistency, and maintaining a level of quality in whatever projects you're managing. Next, you'll need to select the option to Save as Template. This is a crucial step as it allows you to transform an existing setup into a reusable template. A model will appear, titled Save as New Template, which is your opportunity to customize and define your template for future use. Here, you'll type in a suitable name for your new template. It's best to choose a name that is easily recognizable and descriptive of the task or project it's intended for. Additionally, the Save as New Template modal offers some optional features that can further enhance your template. You can add a description to give users an idea of its purpose or any special instructions they might need to know. Tags are also available, and these can help categorize your template for easier searching and organization down the line. Moreover, you have the option to select sharing settings, which can be beneficial if you're working within a team and want to ensure your template is accessible to all who need it. Finally, once you have filled in all the necessary information and made your optional selections, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. You've created a template in Clickup ready to be utilized whenever you need to execute similar projects or tasks effortlessly. By incorporating templates into your daily workflow, you're setting yourself up for a more efficient and organized project management experience. I hope this guide has empowered you to make the most of Clickup's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.